Welcome to the ACS Clinical Congress 2020 virtual meeting website. We're so glad that you could join us today. Please note that this website is optimized to run best if you're using Chrome or Firefox as your web browser. When you first arrive at the website, you will see a limited number of options in your top navigation area. Once you log in, you'll have more tools available. Log in using the badge ID that was emailed to you when you registered and your last name. Once you've logged in, you'll have a lot more options in your top navigation. To search for a session, click on Education Program in the top navigation area. You can search by session number, or filter by session type. You can filter sessions by day, starting times, and session tracks. You can also filter based on state regulatory mandate content and ACS accreditation and verification program content. From the session search results page, you can view the session or add it to your playlist. You can also preview the number of available credit. When you're in a session, before your session is live, you will see a content coming soon message in the main viewing area. After the start time, the content will be available to play. Be sure to add the session to your credit cart in order to claim credit. From the session page, you can read about the session content and read bios of the presenters. Once your session goes live, you'll be able to watch it and add it to your credit cart to receive CME and other credit. You can join a session chat at any time by clicking on the chat icon in the top right corner and then clicking Join Chat. Please note, however, that live monitoring of chat sessions only takes place while the session is in progress. For additional information about Clinical Congress and the ACS, please review the other options in your top navigation area. Please don't forget to stop and review the always available content in the poster hall and the video hall in between your scheduled sessions. You can review your playlist at any time and the contents of your credit cart to make sure that you've listed the sessions you need there. For more assistance, visit the Help link. Click the Customer Support Contacts and Hours link for a list of email addresses and phone numbers for particular issues. Thank you for joining us for the Clinical Congress 2020 virtual meeting. We hope you have a great time, and we look forward to seeing you again in 2021.